Hello and welcome to 4742 68th Terrace in Pinellas Park. We've got a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome, 1,420 square feet. Let's go inside and have a look. This is the main floor of the townhome. Nice open floor concept. As you can see, there's seating for 5, corian countertops, stainless steel appliances, beautiful cabinets. We have 3 more bedrooms and 2 more baths upstairs. Let's go have a look. Well, that's all for today at 4742 68th Terrace in Pinellas Park. If you have any questions at all about this property, please call me, Todd Howard, 727-614-3296. Thank you.